Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I have never used this brush stroke, but somebody's got a problem with it. They're drawing an ellipse and they want to put these mushrooms on this brush stroke. So they go to artistic media and they go to the spray can and they go to plants and they pick mushrooms. Well, they click on it and nothing happens, but they can draw and it produces. Well, what it is, it's like any other time. You have to change the size of the brush stroke just by a little bit. Like, see how it went up? Now, a little bit more about it. If you want, this is images per spacing. We're going to increase them, kind of get them closer together, and you can up this and actually have more. Then you might want to go downhill with the spacing so they won't be on top of each other. That's a pretty cool brushstroke. I've never seen it before. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. It just, I don't know what it is inside of Corel where you have to, if we're on that and we draw that brush stroke, it'll put those all along there. But if you make a shape and get the artistic media tool and click on it, nothing happens until you either increase it or decrease it. Anyway, I hope that answered that's pretty cool. Hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.